Hey, I'm Hamid. In the next 2 minutes, you'll discover exactly how to build a bulletproof emergency fund, step by step, even starting from zero. Here's the truth. 57% of people can't cover $1,000 emergency. One car repair, one hospital visit, game over. But not you, not after this video. Most people don't know their actual number. Add up rent, food, insurance, transport, and minimum debt payments. Multiply that monthly total by 6. That's your magic number. Write it down right now, and in Scene 5, I'll reveal where to park this cash for maximum growth. Here's what changed everything for me. Automate it. Set up an automatic transfer the day you get paid. Start with just 10% of your income. You can't spend what you never see. People who automate save 46% more. That's not opinion, that's data. Nobody tells you this. Where you keep it matters. A regular account earns almost nothing. In 2026, high-yield savings accounts pay up to 5% API. Money market accounts are another solid option. Never invest your emergency fund in stocks. Liquidity is king. Let's be real. Saving 6 months feels impossible at first. So break it into milestones. 1 month is saved. Celebrate. 3 months? You're ahead of most people. 6 months? You're financially untouchable. The journey makes you unstoppable. Imagine this. What if you could see exactly how fast different savings rates build your fund? At 10% of income, you're done in about 14 months. At 20%, just 7 months. At 30%, under 5 months. Pick your speed, no excuses. If this video hit different, drop a in the comments right now. Subscribe and turn on notifications for weekly wealth secrets. Tell me your magic number below. I read every single comment. Let's build that fund together. Go!